Welcome to our new class. We have done already 5.1, find the square, a plus b plus c whole square, a minus b whole square, and a plus b plus c whole square. Already square, find the square completed. Now our topic today, find the value, show that, prove that. Let's come to the point. Before starting this topic, we have to know some corollary. So please follow the board. You can see here is I have written find the value, show that, and prove that. In your maths, if you can see, show that and prove that, you have to follow the board carefully. So if you can see a square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus twice ab, and a square plus b square equal to a minus b whole square plus twice ab. You have to be careful. This part always given part. This is always given part, and this is your maths. This is given part. Be careful. And 2 into a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. And 4ab equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. And a plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. And a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. And another important corollary is here is ab equal to a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. I am repeating again. For if you can see the find the value, show that, and prove that. For these cases, you have to use this corollary. Be careful. If you can see given is plus, so you have to go back in plus. If you can see the given is minus, you have to go back in the minus formation. So when we solve the maths, you have to be careful about the given part. That means the condition. For show that, prove that. If you can see prove that, if you can see show that and prove that, so you have to follow the board. Then find the value. A square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab. A square plus b square equal to a minus b whole square plus twice ab. So this is one formation. And another is 2 into a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. And 4ab equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. This is so important. And another, so sometimes you have to change sign. You have to change side. So a plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab, and a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. And ab equal a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Remember it. So in first lecture we have learned find the square, but today's lecture is related to find the value, show that, and prove that. Okay, or you can see the determined. So let's come to the board. We'll do some maths related to show that, related to prove that. Okay, students, please follow the board. Already we have learned some corollary. You have to be remembered always. Now we will do the maths. Here is a plus b equal to 5, ab equal 12. Show that a square plus b square equal to 1. Be careful. It's the given part. This is the given part. Here is given part is positive. Given part here is plus, and ab equal to 12. But a square plus b square equal to what? So how many methods for find out the value of a square plus b square? Here is in a square plus b square, there are two methods. Here is a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab. When you solve this type of maths, you have to follow the given part. This given part is plus a plus b, a plus b. If plus, then you have to use these rules. If it is minus, you have to use this. Okay, so we have no need this. We have no need this because here is minus. We have no need. we have to use this because here is plus, here is plus. Now this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So for the board, here is given AB plus B equal to 5, AB equal to 12. So A square plus B square equal to A plus B whole square minus twice AB. Now putting the values of A plus B equal to 5. A plus B equal to 5. So here is 5, here is squared minus 2 into AB equal to 12. AB equal to 12. So 5 5 is 25 minus 24. We have got here is 1. Here is also 1. This is left hand side. This is the right hand side. So we can write, here is left hand side. We have started. We have got 1. Here is right hand side. So we can write left hand side equal to right hand side. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Here is show that. So you have to write show. So this maths has done. For your betterment, I am repeating my class again. Here is, you can say A plus B equal to 5, AB equal 12. Show that. I told you a few minutes ago. Show that, prove that, and find the value. You have to use some corollary. So here is show that. So A square plus B square equal to what? A plus B given. Which is given? A plus B is given. You have to keep it in your mind. A square plus B square equal A plus B whole square minus twice AB. And I have cut it because here is A square plus B square equal to A minus B whole square plus twice AB. But we need A plus B. You have to think this is the given part of your maths. Be careful. So A square plus B square equal A plus B whole square minus twice AB. So 5 5 is 25, 24. We have got 1. So maths completed. Now come back. We will do another maths. Now come back to the board. We will do another maths. Please come back. If x minus 1 by x equal 3, then find the value of this. This is find the value. So at first you have to write a given part. It is the given x minus 1 by x equal 3. X minus 1 by x equal to 3. You have to write given at first. Then you have to think that here is A square plus B square. But given is minus. Given is minus. Now here is, you have no need to write left hand side and right hand side. You have to write left hand side and right hand side, show that and prove that. Show that and prove that. Be careful. Here is x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 divided by x square. If you are interested, if you forgot the rules, you can write. We know A square plus B square equal to A minus B whole square plus twice AB. This is the rules. That means corollary for your maths. Already I have told. For show that, prove that, and find the value, you have to use some corollary and some formula also. So for find the value, A square plus B square equal A minus B whole square plus twice AB. This is the given part is minus. For this you have to use this corollary. So here is, this is A square and this is B square. A square plus B square. Why A square plus B square? This is A square and this is B square. A square plus B square. So A square plus B square equal to A minus B whole square plus twice AB. Here is, this is A and 1 by x, this is B. So A square plus B square. A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square plus twice A B. So now come back. A square plus B square equal A minus B whole square plus twice AB. A minus B whole square plus twice AB. So you can see A minus B whole square plus twice AB. So now come back. Here is x and x cut. X minus 1 by x equal to, we can see x minus 1 by x equal to 3. So we have got 3 square plus 2. X minus 1 by x equal to 3. That means 3 square. Here is 2. Here is 2. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 equal to 11. So we have got x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2ab. That means x into 1 by x. This value is 3 square plus 2. 9 plus 2 equal to 11. Our maths done. Please come back. We will do a different type of maths. Please follow the board. You can say here is a plus b equal to 8. A minus b equal to 4. Determine 2 into a square plus b square. Then 4ab equal to what? ab equal to what? All are related to your corollary. So be careful. You have to be careful. The given part, which is given. Here is given a plus b equal 8, a minus b equal 4. Easily we can do the maths. Here is, we know 2 into a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Just a plus b, value of a plus b equal to 8 or the 8 square, and a minus b equal to 4. A minus b equal to 4. So that means 4 square. So 8 square, 8 8 is 64. And here is 4, 4 square, 4 4 is 16. Adding, we will get the answer easily. Okay, 6 plus 4, and here is 0 and 1. Here is 1 plus 1, 2 plus 6. Here is 80. So we have got the values of 2 into a square plus b square. Be careful. 2 into a square plus b square. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Just putting the value, we will get the answer. Okay. Now, that's number 2. 4ab equal to what? Again, we all know 4ab equal to a plus b whole square plus, that means 4ab equal to a plus b whole square minus, be careful, here is plus, but here is minus. 4ab equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Now putting the values of a plus b equal to 8, here is 8, here is 4. 54 minus 16, we have got 48. So we have got math number 1 and math number 2. Now we will do math number 3. Now come back, we will do another maths. Here is AB. AB equal to what? So AB equal to, we know AB equal to a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Just putting the value. You have to keep it in your mind, the AB or 4ab or 2 into a square plus b square. Be careful. So a plus b, here is 8 by 2 whole square. A minus b, here is 4 by 2 whole square. So 8 by 2, we have got 4 square, and 4 by 2, we have got 2 square. So a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. 8 by 2 whole square minus 4 by 2 whole square. 8, 4 to the 8, 4 square, 4 by 2, here is 2 square. 4, 4 to the 16, 2 to the 4. That means 16 minus 4 equal to 12. So our maths has done. Okay. Now we will do another maths. Come back to another maths. Here is, you have to show that it's a different maths. So you can see here is m plus 1 by m equal to 2. Show that m to the power 4 plus 1 by m to the power 4 equal to 2. Here is power is 4. Already we have done square. This is a square. No problem. So here is a to the power 4. So if we can see power is 4, then we have to break in this way. At first a square, then square. Oh, okay. So if you can say 4, then you have to break in this way. That means 2 steps. So follow the board. Here is m plus 1 by m equal to 2. m4 plus 1 by m to the power 4. What I say, if you can say 4, you have to break it at first square, then square. So here is m square, here is square. We'll get 4. 1 by m square, square. Here is 4. Now you can see a square plus b square. Here is m square. This is total is you think that this is a square and this is b square. A square plus b square. At first you have to break the in the corollary of a square plus b square. So a square plus b square we have to break. This is a plus b whole square minus twice a b. A square plus b square, because here is square, here is square. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now cut it. Here is m square, here is m square, cut. Again you can see here is also a square plus b square. Here is also a square plus b square. Now come back here. Here is, now you can see the given part. Your given part is plus. Given part is plus. You can see here is your given part is plus. Now you have to break in this part, a square plus b square. So we will get a plus b whole square minus 2ab. We have done in this part a square plus b square. For this bracket and this bracket you have to use here, you have to use here. For this bracket, for this bracket, this is the bracket. Here is minus, here is minus, here is 2, here is 2. Be careful. So I think plus b square equal a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now here is m and m cut. Here is square. So here is you have to give square. Now clear? M plus 1 by whole square. M plus 1 by m equal to 2. For this reason, this value is 2. 2 square. Here is square. Here is square. Here is minus. Here is 2. This bracket and this bracket. This is the bracket. This is the bracket. Here is square. Here is square. This is minus. Here is 2. So here is 2 is a 4. 4 minus 2 whole square. 4 minus 2 whole square. Here is minus. Here is 2. 2. For this we get 4 minus 2 whole square. So we get 2 square minus 2. 2 square minus 2. So 2 square equal to 4. Here is minus 2. Here is minus 2. So 4 minus 2 equal to, we will get 2. So what is our maths? If m plus 1 by m equal to, show that m4 plus 1 by m to the power 4 equal to 2. So you can say we have got m plus m4 plus 1 by m to the power 4 equal to 2. So this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Right hand side. Here is show that. So we can write left hand side equal to right hand side. Sure. So we can write in this way. We can write left hand side equal to right hand side. Here is show that. You have to write sure. So maths done. Be careful. You have to follow. This is plus or this is minus. Already we have done our tasks. So if you want to get an update, so like, comments and share. So no more today. Goodbye. Thank you. Thank you all. Be safe. Stay at home.